Namaste all. We congratulate you as you are watching this video. This means you care for the environment. On this occasion, we are officially launching our new service for sustainability and this channel, Sustainability Simply Put. We will introduce ourselves at the end. Let us start now learning about World Environment Day. Let's understand why behind it and its importance. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate that makes our existence possible on this planet Earth all come from nature. For example, each year, marine plants produce more than half of our atmosphere's oxygen, and a mature tree cleans our air, absorbing 22 kilograms of carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen in exchange. Despite all the benefits that our nature gives us, we still mistreat and harm it. We not only risking our existence, but also of other species as well. That is why we need to work on conservation of nature. In this effort to create widespread awareness, we have this observance as a World Environment Day. In 2020, the theme is biodiversity, a concern that is both urgent and existential. This problem is urgent means now we are seeing the results immediately, that is relatively in near future, as compared to several thousands of years of our existence. And this is existential means if not preserved, we may extinct our species. We will not be here on this planet for long. This is specifically important in view of the recent events like bushfires in Brazil, the United States, and Australia, locust infestations across East Africa and Asia, and now a global disease pandemic, COVID-19. All demonstrate the interdependence of humans and the webs of life in which they exist, that is, environment. History. World Environment Day is the most renowned day for environmental action. Since 1974, it has been celebrated every year on 5th of June, engaging governments, businesses, celebrities, and citizens to focus their efforts on pressing environmental issues. The year 1972 marked a turning point in the development of international environmental policies. The first major conference on environmental issues, convened under the auspices of the United Nations, was held from June 5 to 16 in Stockholm, Sweden, also known as the Conference on the Human Environment (UNCHE) or the Stockholm Conference. Its goal was to forge a basic common understanding on how to address the challenge of preserving and enhancing the human environment. Later that year, on 15th December, the General Assembly adopted a resolution 2994 designating June 5 as World Environment Day and urging governments and the organizations in the United Nations system to undertake worldwide activities on 5th June every year, reaffirming their concern for the preservation and enhancement of the environment with a view to deepening environmental awareness and to pursue the determination expressed at the conference. The date coincides with the first day of the Stockholm Conference. As the conference started on June 5, that day was significant for the World Environment Initiative. Therefore, June 5 was chosen to be this special day. Also on 15 December, the General Assembly adopted another resolution, 3000, that led to the creation of the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, the specialized agency on environmental issues. The first World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974, helped UNEP to raise awareness and generate political momentum around growing concerns such as the depletion of the ozone layer, toxic chemicals, desertification, and global warming. The day has been developed into a global platform for taking action on urgent environmental issues. Millions of people have been part over the years, helping drive the change in our consumption habits, as well as in national and international environmental policy. What should we do for environment? Number 1. We should strive to understand the issue in proper sense by correct and unbiased information. This is essential because information we get determines our belief and therefore actions. Make sure you get it from trusted and reliable source. Number 2. Get to know about your personal habits and lifestyle choices making the problem worse. Write it down. Number 3. Take one thing out of that list. Do something about it. It may be as small as switching off the lights and fans when we don't need them. Just get started. Number 4. After your personal contribution, try to make it at larger level. Your friends, family, community you live in, company you work for, and so on. Number 5. Bring it to professional front. Whether your company works in any field, there is always you can do something better for the planet. Just get started with simple projects and awareness drive for your employees. These don't cost much. We call them ABCD for E, that is environment. A. Arrange observance of this day. Arrange a competition like quiz, poster presentation and slogan making, etc. It will have additional advantage of increased morale and productivity of employees. B. Be committed to environmental conservation. For example, reduce water consumption, build rainwater harvesting project. These simple things will go a long way. C. Consult experts for the guidance and training programs. And D. Develop the staff and your company for this higher goal. Introduction. Who we are. We are very happy to announce on World Environment Day, 5th June 2020, that we are starting this YouTube channel, Sustainability Simply Put, a place where we will strive to make the critical concepts reach to you in accurate and simple form. The intent of this YouTube channel is to spread the awareness related to sustainability, make it easy for a common person to adopt sustainable lifestyle. Being from professional background, we will also focus on how industries can implement it. We would make it easy to understand and implement. Our goal: to make sustainability easy to implement at personal as well as professional settings. Our specialty: we are a unique team of having keen practical knowledge in sustainability, process improvement, business excellence, change management, continuous improvement, and trainings for corporates and MSMEs. A good team is always better than the best lone performer. We believe in this philosophy, and we would be happy to help you and be a part of your extended team. As said by Eliud Kipchoge, the fastest marathon runner in the world, 100% of me is nothing compared to 1% of the whole team. About organization. We are a subdivision of Process Excellence Consultancy, Learn and Apply, mainly focusing on the sustainability issues and circular economy implementation. To check other details related to our services, please visit www.learnandapply.org. What will be covered? You can expect from us videos and posts related to following topics in the future: sustainability concepts and implementation, systems thinking and change management, circular economy, environment and humans' contribution. All these concepts will be key to a single objective: to make it easy to understand and implement at personal and professional level. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let us get to action now. Do let us know about your actions in comment section. Do not miss to subscribe and hit bell icon to be notified of our next video. Our next video will be on topic: what is sustainability, and difference between environment and nature. Thank you.